Russell around the wicket.
Oh, he's got some good bat on that. That has gone a long way. Russell was very wide of the crease in delivery.
Wow. The angle from around the wicket is not easy to hit, and bravo. Shows that he's a champion. Good swing. The length was right. That's the only thing that was in his favor. Now just another reminder that short boundary is to Bravo's leg side, and a great way to start the last over. It'll get Narayan thinking. It'll get Russell thinking. The pressure's on.
A little shuffle around in the crease from Bravo. What is he going to get here? Kenna Lewis after it. They've got to go for two. Singles now make it a little bit tougher. If the twos are on offer, go.
Yep, he's got to get on strike. But then you can't write off Zadran either. He can hit it too. Well, war for the game we all needed. Right down to the wire.
Again, he's very wide coming from around the wicket, but Bravo is reading the angles perfectly at the moment. They need 8 from 3. This game is changing again.
He's missing his length. Yes, Bravo's deep in his crease and creating the length he needs, but Andre Russell, he'll know better how to set yourself up at this stage as a batter and hence make the adjustment. Long on was towards mid-wicket. He was very wide. That angle plays into the hands of Bravo.
At the start of this over, he needed 20 runs. Now, Russell has bowled the 20th over in his T20 career 86 times. Only 3 times he's conceded 20 plus. And now they need 8 from 3. Oh, that's good bowling. Very good bowling. They still get a run, though, which means 7 from 2.
But great response, though. Been taken for a 6, a 4. There he goes. He goes a foot fuller because Bravo's deep in the crease. That's the adjustment he needs to make now. He just can't give Zadran the length. He's very good at getting underneath it, be it short or full. Najib Zadran. He's striking them. He's hit 2 sixes and both down towards the long off. That's his zone.
This is such a crucial delivery in the result of this match. Short. He powers it away. It's 6. The scores are level. A big loss over here. And it's my Emirates who currently hold all the cards.
Fair play news, biggest hit for sure. The leg side boundary is huge, but that's gone on to the grass bank. Najib Zadran. Look at that go through the night skies. The scores are level. Heartbreak right at the death for the Knight Riders. What's he gonna do? Andre Russell, he had 20 to defend. What a game. What a chase. It's still not done. Well, a dot ball here, Natalie. There will be a super over. So it's either my Emirates win or a super over to start all over again.
A wicket means super over. Just need a single. Now, obviously, you expect the fielders come in. Just about everybody is in the inner ring. One to win. Lifting it over the top. And the My Emirates make it 3 out of 3 and break the hearts of the Abu Dhabi Knight Riders. It was their best night so far for the Abu Dhabi Knight Riders, but still not enough. Brilliant. What a finish from a fantastic side.